this image that you're seeing here was recreated from this, and this is another one that was recreated from this. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can retouch your images. So if you have blurry images, if you have old images that you want to recreate just like you're retouching it. So if you have images that are so blurry, old images that you want to recreate, then in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that using AI. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, you're welcome. On this channel I teach you how to do stuff, and I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself online. So quickly, before we get into the video, please support this channel by liking this video. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. The essence is that whenever I post content like this, you will always be notified. All right, so the tool we are going to need is the tool known as Grok. All right, this is Grok right here. So what we are going to do is to enter into the app. So all you need to do to have this app on your phone is to go to Google Play Store and download it. And once you download it and sign up, you have access to a dashboard like this. So for us to be able to do that, all you need to do is to make sure that you have a picture that you want to work with. All right, for me, I already have the image that I want to work with. So let's quickly go straight to recreating the image. In photography, it's called retouching. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So right here, this is the tool here. You can see you can ask any question here. You can ask it to recreate something here. You can create videos here. So right here, as you're seeing here, you can see the tool here. What you are seeing here, you can ask a question here and get answers, meaning that you can brainstorm on this app. You can even come here, the imagine session, and imagine something. Now, if you go down, you see on the left side, you have create videos. You can create videos here. You can open your camera and do videos with your camera. You can change it to your voice mode if you want to be using your voice. You can do quite a whole lot here. But let's really talk about the retouching of image. So for us to retouch our image, what we are going to do is to give it a prompt. You need a prompt, a specific prompt that works. You need a specific prompt that works. That's the foundation or the basics of doing this very well. So all you need to do is to come here, this place here, all right? You click on it, it will take you to where you have your images, all right? And I'll click here, it will take me to my gallery of my phone, all right? So we are going to pick one of the images. As you can see here, we are going to pick, let's say we're going to pick this one, all right? You can see this image is an old image, so I'm going to just pick it, all right? And I'll click on add. So once I add it, you can see the image as uploaded here. The essence of this is that we want the Grok tool, the Grok AI tool, to understand that this is our reference image. Are you getting now? So once we put the reference image, the next thing for us to do is to give it our prompt. So I'm going to paste the prompt here. I will say retouch this image. Follow me, guys. I'll say retouch this image just like Photoshop. Are you seeing it now? Follow me, guys. Just like Photoshop style, and make sure you maintain the face of the reference image. Now, why we are giving it this prompt is that we want a specific kind of retouching. That's why we're telling it to give us the retouching in Photoshop style. And also, very importantly, we are telling it that it should not change the face of the reference image, because sometimes if you're not specific enough, this AI tool will change the face. All right, so you want to tell it to maintain the face. So what do? We give it the prompt specifically, and then we click on this arrow that points up and watch what happens next. So once I click this now, you see it's going to start retouching the image. The essence of this is that if you want to be doing designs, if you want to be doing beautiful flyer designs, sometimes your clients will give you designs that are they'll give you images that are blurry, or sometimes you want to create passport, or you want to bring back to life an image that is very old. As you can see here, it has retouched the image for us. Now I do not really completely like this, so what I'm going to do next is to go on and on to re I'll retell it, or tell it, reprompt it to give me a better image. As you can see from the image we have, this is quite good, but it looks like a doll baby or something like that. So we can tell it to be more realistic. All right. So the one on the left is still manageable, as you can see, but we'll tell it to make the image realistic, not like a doll baby, not like a doll. Are you seeing it? We ask it still maintain the reference image. So we keep prompting it. That's the essence here. You need to prompt it and keep prompting it. If you don't get the kind of image you want, you need to prompt and keep prompting. As you can see, I have a problem with my network. I'm going to do that again. You need to keep prompting. When you keep prompting and prompting and prompting, definitely you're going to get the best image that works for you. Are you seeing it now? So you can see now there's a little difference with what we have. The one on the right is now looking more better. Some people might choose the one on the left, but for me, I choose the one on the right. So this is exactly how you can actually retouch your images using the Grok AI tool. I'm going to just do one more before I leave this video. So let's just do one more. I'll go to this place. All right. I'll go to this place, pick another photo. All right. Pick another photo, and let's work on this one. This particular one here. This particular one here. Pick it, and I'll say retouch. All right. Let me just copy the prompt that we have here. Say retouch. Let me just copy this prompt here and take it here and paste it here. Are you seeing it now? Paste it here, and let's see what it's going to give us. So we click on this, and then once we click on this, wait for it to give us the result. So let's see what it's going to give us. This is beautiful, guys. Can you see? This is the image. Can you see? Very beautiful. It doesn't change anything from the image. All right. As you can see, very equal image, and I really like this. I really like this. So what you can do, whichever one you choose, what you do is just to go to this download here and download this into your phone. This method can be used to change or recreate images that are very old, maybe your grandmother's image, your grandfather's image, your mother's image, or an old friend's image, or an old passport, or even black and white pictures. You can change black and white pictures to colored pictures using this same AI tool. I believe that you've learned something from this video. If you got value from this video, please tap the like button. Make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you turn on your notification bell. Please support me on this channel as we grow together. I'm going to see you in my next video.